Hey guys, back with another YouTube video, and of course, but today playing some, not actually Roblox, oh yeah, we are playing Roblox, well I am, but I'm going to tell you guys why I changed my YouTube channel name to Beamer0806. Basically, Mr. Robot is like, it's a good name, but I mean, I never use my robot package, and that's what people are leading for me to do. And I don't change my name just because of people's opinion. I changed my name because of my opinion. I actually noticed this before other people, and I'm changing my robot name actually tomorrow. So, well, yeah, I'm gonna change it tomorrow because I just changed my YouTube channel name to Beamer. And yeah, that's just gonna be my new name. So if you guys are like misunderstood, if you're like my friend and you're like, hey, why did Mr. Robot unfriend me? Oh, thank goodness, this is chicken. But anyway, I'm just changing it to that, so don't get worried that I unfriended you. I didn't. I just changed my name. Plus, if you want to know, if you look in this person's like if you want to look at my profile, you could look at past username, and you can see my past username, which was Mr. Robot. But I'm gonna change it to Beamer tomorrow when I get the money, because right now I'm pretty poor. I got 77 Robux. I'm just gonna like do a whole bunch of chores, get like 1,000 Robux. You know, that's what every kid does. They're desperate for Robux. But yeah, I'm just gonna change my name, and then you guys just don't get worried that I unfriended you, alright? If you wonder, like, how did this Beamer kid get in my account, please don't unfriend me. I'll be real sad because, and I bet you would too. So yeah, don't unfriend me. So, yes. I'm changing my name, and I made that decision. So, thanks for understanding, guys, and shut up. Oh god, I died. Well, thanks for understanding, guys, for me changing my name. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.